Welcome to another video, the same every time, IGCSE Maths, GCSE Maths, looking at those questions that apart from the numbers are the same every time. Learn how to do them, get yourself into the marks, get yourself into the grades. In this video we're looking at algebraic fractions, more specifically adding or subtracting two algebraic fractions to make a single fraction. This kind of question, some candidates, some students might look at this kind of question and think, oh, this is a little bit too complicated. Maybe we can't do this one. I'll just leave this one. Perhaps I'll pass by this question and see if I can do another one. But you don't really need to. Why? Because this kind of question is the same every time. You can learn how to do this. You can get the answer. You can get yourself into the marks. You can get yourself into the grades. It's really quite straightforward. Just have to learn what to do. Let's see then, what do we actually do? The question says, this is for 3 marks, write as a single fraction in its simplest form. So we're looking for a single fraction. Okay, so our single fraction is going to have a denominator. What's at the bottom of our single fraction? Well, that's the easy bit, because all I have to do is multiply together the two denominators. So x plus 2, 3x minus 1. That's my denominator of my single fraction. Now just write it like that, leave it like that, leave it well alone. Do not expand those brackets, do nothing with that, just leave it well alone. So x plus 2 in brackets multiplied by 3x minus 1 in brackets. Then along the top, we have to be a little bit more careful with that. I have to do this multiplied by this. So it's going to be 1 multiplied by 3x minus 1. I'll write in the 1. You wouldn't do normally maybe, but I'll write in the 1. So 1 multiplied by 3x minus 1. And then we need to have the sign, which in this case is a minus, a subtract, so subtract. And then what I need to do is this multiplied by this. So it's going to be 2 multiplied by x plus 2. Right, so far so good. Remembering that the bottom of this fraction has to just stay the same, stay like that. The two denominators multiplied together. All we have to do is simplify the top of this fraction. So the bottom stays the same. Do not expand these brackets. Just don't do anything with them. Leave them well alone. And expanding along the top, 1 multiplied by 3x minus 1 is just going to give me 3x minus 1. Then we have to be very careful with the second bracket. Where I've seen students go wrong with this is when we have a minus and we're multiplying by a minus. Negative 2 times x gives me negative 2x. And then it's still negative 2 outside the bracket multiplied by positive 2 inside the bracket. Negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. Nearly finished. So the bottom of my fraction, again, as I say, stays the same, x plus 2, 3x minus 1, and then we simplify along the top. So I've got along the top there 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is 1x. And then, again being careful because we've got negatives in here, negative 1 minus 4. So starting at negative 1 on the number line, so my number's there, negative 1 minus 4. So starting at negative 1 on the number line and taking away 4, going 4 to the left, is going to take me to negative 5. Or alternatively, if it's a calculator paper, use your calculator, type in negative 1 and then take away 4, you'll get to negative 5. And that's the answer. So the final answer for this is on my top of my fraction, x minus 5, and the bottom of the fraction is just still the two denominators multiplied together. I keep saying this, do not expand those brackets, leave them well alone. There you are, that's a good 3 marks. Same every time. Get yourself into the marks, get yourself into the grades. If the video was useful to you, then please do press the like button. Also press the subscribe button. And thank you very much for watching. I will return in the next video.